I was riding my bicycle on the wrong side of the road and was hit by a car. Does the fact that I was riding on the wrong side preclude me from bringing a lawsuit against the driver?
So it may or it may not. I can't say that there's one answer for every situation. But to start with, a bicycle, and a lot of people don't get this, they think that they're doing the right thing or the safe thing or the legal thing by riding in the direction facing oncoming traffic. That's not the rule. That's not the law in California. In California, you must ride your bike on the side of the road in the same direction as vehicles drive in your direction of traffic. Now, because you were on the wrong side of the road, does that mean that the other driver gets off scot-free? Maybe, maybe not. It depends. Was the other driver also negligent in creating or causing this accident? If the other driver was doing everything right and was being reasonably careful, for example, let's say somebody's pulling out of a driveway. They look to the right, they look to the left for pedestrians, because obviously pedestrians can walk on either side of the road in either direction. But looking to the right, they didn't see you because you're on a bike and you're quite a distance away. They don't have any reason to believe that you on a bike should be coming at them from the right. So having checked and not seen you and being reasonably careful in checking, if they then proceed to make a right-hand turn and your bike then collides with the car as it's pulling out, there would be very little, if any, liability, I think, on the part of the driver. On the other hand, suppose you're riding a bike the wrong side of the road, and the other driver who's coming up that road, coming in the direction facing you, suppose they're not paying attention. They're on their cell phone or doing something, and they drift over into the bike lane where your bicycle is. The fact that you shouldn't be there is kind of a minimal part of the fault here. You shouldn't be on that side of the road, but the real fault lies with the guy who's not paying attention and is looking at his cell phone, who would have seen you had he been looking where he was going. So, in that situation, the driver would have most, if not all, of the liability for causing the collision. So I can't give you a one-answer-fits-all situation for a bicyclist who's driving on the wrong side of the road. You have to look at all the facts of what was involved in the accident.